Jim Patrick in a live show. Today, our live show will last for 3 hours. In the first hour, we will cover the plastic buckets, crates, and the turnover boxes. And the following 2 hours will be Kevin and Mary will introduce more about our plastic products, plastic drain trays, plastic pails, buckets. And first, let's go look at our plastic crates. And before we do that, let's first look at our company. We are a verified company by TUV Group and verified by Alibaba.com. Okay, let's have a closer look at our verified company about TUV and more about Alibaba.com. This is our one certificate, and another certificate is this one, verified. This is our company name. Okay, you can see more clearly about this. So if you want the e-catalog or want to see the serial numbers to verify whether it's true or not, we can send an inquiry to us. Then we can send you the e-book, okay, the e-book about this certificate. Okay, first, let's look at the live show. Today's theme is 10% discount. Today, we all know this is November 11. This is global, yeah, this is a global shopping, and we have huge promotion about the 10% discount. And what's more, we have if you got 1,000 US dollars, and then you could get 120 coupons plus 10% discount. Okay, the two promotions, the two favorable courses can use together. Okay, one is 10% discount, and the second one is when you got to the 120 coupons. When you get to the 1,000 US dollars, you can get the coupons. Okay, so much for the products of our company. And if you are watching this live show in the Alibaba.com, then you can easily find us by the next time. So you can see this one. You can click the Alibaba.com. You can enter the http://jimingco.en.alibaba.com. So you can find us easily next time. When you do this, when you the website, when you have the app, you can open the app Alibaba.com, and then you can check the suppliers, and then can choose Tangzhen Qiming click. Then you can follow us. Then our following videos every week, every month, you will get them first. Okay, I will show you how to display it in your Alibaba.com. Okay. Wait a moment, and I will show you how to cover it in the Alibaba.com. If you are on the WeChat, Facebook.com, you just search for our name. Okay, you just search for in your YouTube, or if you look at it in the Facebook, you can just look for the name, Qiming Group Packaging. Then you will see the following videos at YouTube.com. And if you are on Facebook, just look at my name, Natalie or Tangzhen Qiming. Then you will find us on the new Facebook. You find that easily, and I will show the most commonly used one is about this one. You can show that. Okay, if you are in the Alibaba.com, that is the most common one. You can find that easily in the Alibaba.com. you can find us more frequently. We have the logo on that. First, open the Alibaba.com, and then you can choose the supplier, master supplier tab, and then you can choose Tangshan Qiming, and then you can search, okay, search internet. Then you will find us. Click in, then you will find us. You can find us the logo, okay? That is our company logo. Okay, company logo, and then you will find follow, okay? You could send the follow. You can send follow, and then you will find us. You'll find all the details of the certificates, the company, brief introduction, the delivery name, and the very detailed information about our company. Okay, so much for our company and how to easily find us if you are interested in our video. Next time, okay, let's cut to the form point. Okay, first, today's one product number one is our plastic crates. Plastic crates, we have two types of plastic crates. And the first one is the folding one, okay, folding one. This is the most frequently used to our customers. We have many colors about this plastic crates. It's the folded type. It can be folding. And this is the white one, and I will show you about the details about how to open it and how to. Okay, this is the normal one, and when you want to close it, you just find the barcode. Okay, we can see the barcodes here. We have four barcodes here and here, and the barcodes, and you can just to follow it, and you can just have this by your hands, one, and have this one and this one. It's more easy. It even can be faster by the owner. Okay, then the folded process completed, and it can save your 70% space. Okay, when you do not use this, you can just fold it, and then it's more suitable for your storage. Your storage in the warehouse, you can use this one, and this is the we have approved. This is FDA. You have FDA report about this one. I will show this later. And this has the vented hole, and if it lets the air to through this, so if you had the vented, the breathe function for your product, you can choose this type. This item is your ideal one, and we can see this is more easy to open it. It's very simple. Okay, I can show it. You just tap this one, and you will see the bottles have been completed. Okay, and this is the other one. And we have tested many times about this bearing capacity. Okay, maybe you are not see this product. I will show you about our colleagues who in our warehouse, our machine is unworking, so we cannot take a video on our factory. The machine is noisy, so we will show you here. Before that, I will let you see our colleague. Our colleague who is not much weaker than me, and she has took a video from me about this type from our warehouse. Then I will show the locality, and then if you do nothing, I will do it again. Okay. First, let's look at this one. This is a warehouse, and we have many colors. Okay. This is our colleague Cassie. She is producing the yellow one. And our sample here is the white one. Both of them have good quality. So you can see that we have many colors in stock. And please do not move your eyes. The most important part is coming. She is just in our warehouse one and send your videos for you more clearly know about our plastic breath. Okay, please look carefully about this most important part. The bearing strength, good toughness. Good toughness. It's a strong shock resistance. Yeah. Okay. That is the part for our plastic one. And if you are not sure, but you still do not believe what Jay is doing, or that is not enough to convince you to believe that our baskets on our crates can bear at least 70 kilograms. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, I will show you it on site on the field. This is the one we just got it. And now I will show you one way. You can see this. I put it on the floor and then I will plug on it. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, it's very durable. So the bearing strength is totally no problem with one female. Okay, one female. And someone is a little embarrassing about our program. And I think 65 program is weight enough for this small crates. Your phone can hold 65, it is no problem. If you are still concerned about the quality, you can send us inquiry, okay? So we can send you the samples for them. And this Double 11, Double 11 festival, we call November 11th Double 11 festival in China. We can provide free sample. All the crates, all the baskets, and here and there, we can provide the free sample, okay? Free sample. Just follow us, and you will get one requirements on this one, and we can show you more about it. You can put your label here, and we can print, silk printing, or just words, logos here, so you can easily find what you are looking for, and that will be take your time. Time is money, okay? So that will save your time to find what is looking for. And so much for this one. And if not 2 minutes, we can show you another one. It is different sizes, but with the same venti type. And you can see clearly about it's enhanced, okay? It's enforced with so many ribs that will enlarge the bearing capacity. You can see these ribs, this hole, and this, and that is the circle one. And we also have this so strong, durable in order to make sure they have a long service life about this one. So you here at the same one, you can have your logo, okay? This part, you can have your own logo, but this part, and we have 2 sizes. And this part, you can also have your own logos. 2 sizes available, okay? If you want to do 2 sizes, and find it more easily, you can do your logos, your words, your logos or anyone, you can print it, illegal one, and we can print it here. And sometimes when you stock it in the warehouse, you do not just it this side or this part. Sometimes we will find the product from the small size, this part. And then we can also have some labels, label holders here. Okay, you can see closer about the label holders design. We have 3-1. So you can have your label holders. It can take away easily when you it can be reused. Okay, for example, this one I use this price to put into some fruits, and then I will put name here. Okay, this is the holders. We can use it easily. Next time, when I sold out my fruit, maybe I use this. It can be reused, recycled. Okay, I can use it for the. I can take it off and change another label here. Okay, maybe some vegetables. So it's very convenient to use in the practical. Okay, so this is the label holders, and that one, this part can use your label. Okay, so the printing one, this cannot be changed. Okay, because all our crates that made of PP or PE, for example, these two one we just showed is HDPE, 100% virgin HDPE. That means it can serve long time. It's durable because of the new version of material HDPE, and it have bearing capacity that's more than 65 kilograms because also of the 100 new material HDPE. It can take some food, another food. We know the regulations about some countries, so we have to test FDA test. We especially do FDA test about all our crates, not this size, the white one, the blue one. We do many sizes about this one. About the crates, you can feel free to put some of your own food in it. And we have FDA testing report. Okay, I will show you the testing report here. So you can see clearly about FDA test report. If you want to get more clearly all the details about this catalog, we can send you. Okay, we can send to your email. Okay, just leave your message. If you are watching this video show in Alibaba.com, you can just click the chat now or send inquiry to us. Our other agent will be service you as soon as possible. And if you are on Facebook.com, just leave your message below, okay, in the comment area, in the comment area. If you are in YouTube one, you can just leave your message, or you can click for my face, okay, and my face as a picture. They have the connection information about our email address, phone number, and if you're still not familiar about this one, you can still check with our website, okay? teamgroup.com, teampackaging.com. These are our websites, so you can easily find us. Also have the online agent about different online sites. Okay, let's take a quick look about this test report. First is our company name to show that we did it. Okay, we did it. And the second one is the material site, and it comply with FDA 20 CFR 177.1522 pp material, and that is the most important regulations about this one. And last one, you can see the pictures, okay, the pictures that we send the samples to them, and send them maybe 10 samples, and they just random, okay, random to send a sample in 1 or 2, and we can send this. And if you want to see this, you just the FDA part 1, okay, If you want to see more about this one, then we can send you the details. Just leave your message, okay? On Mama.com, on Facebook or YouTube, you can just send us the inquiry or just leave your email address on the comment area. Okay, so that was the plastic craze. Okay, I saw some dear audience in the message. They left the message. How about the capacity of this one, blue one? Okay, I will just do some bearing strength of the bearing capacity test about the blue one. It's also the 100 and raw material. So you can see this one, it is higher than the white one. You can see clearly, I will wrote it here, and it is higher than the blue one. The blue one is higher, the white one is shorter, but both of them have good capacity. Okay, I asked you set up, here, and then you can see clearly about the capacity, okay? I have our arms here. I have no hold anything, but you can make sure that, okay, you can see that I can even jump on this one and I still even embarrassing on weight, my weight. Okay, you can check this one. And 65 kilograms. And that is totally, okay, that is totally no problem with one adult female. So that is so much about our this one craze, folding craze. And the folding and folding programs is so easy. You just, okay, this one. So you just this one and take it easily. And it can be saved. And it can be stacked. When you use it, you just grab this part and this one, and you tap with your hands, and then it will be easily to. And when you use it with fruit or vegetables, and the two can have the on this part, like this one. It cannot be next-able. It can be protect, then protect the juice, the fruit or vegetables or whatever contents in the craze baskets. When you transport it, it can protect the content below this one, in this blue one. So that is a practical, good design about this one, about our basket craze. So much about the venture one. If you do maybe some small parts, small parts, maybe they are too small than the whole. So maybe you need some crate, such a crate. There is no hole, okay? Never mind, we can have that type for you. Maybe you do not need one, or maybe there are powders, that small parts that the hole. So we have the solid type, okay, solid type. There is no hole, okay, there's no hole. Just solid type. You can see the bottom. The bottom have a lot of ribs that can make sure this is quite good. Excellent, okay, excellent bearing capacity about the group. Okay, this is the solid type. You will have small parts. You do small parts for the machine. Okay, you still have our customer Amazon, eBay, or they have a warehouse one. You are a factory that needs a small part. Then you can choose this type. This item is totally suitable for the small type. Of course, they can also be used for the white one, okay, for the bigger one. So if you wanted to this car part, okay, so we can totally do this one. I just show the look of the blue one. I just show the look of blue one. Okay, just show the blue one. We also have orange, clear one, blue, green, red yellow in stock, and they are totally in maybe at least 10,000 pieces in stock. So if you have the requirement about the solid type, you can also contact our agent. Okay, they can send you details about the stock quantity, and we can make fast delivery. Okay, and now we have the ready to ship part, ready to ship products, and this product belonged to that one, ready to ship products. And still, if you want to show this one, please subscribe or follow us, okay? If you show this on the YouTube, you just to subscribe Chiming Group Packaging. And if you use this on Facebook, you can search for Lynette or just Tangshan Chiming, okay? Then you will get the details or the catalog for you to your email address. About it, and our colleague, they just to take some video for me about this type, so we can see more clearly about this one. Okay, so let's look at some pictures. Okay, some videos about this part. If that we just did the same boxes as I just showed. Actually, the stronger than me. She's taller, so his weight stronger than me, and that is totally no problem with the capacity. Okay, I will show another one about this same quantities. About this one. With a totally different size. And he jumped, he's running. She's running on the dot. Okay, I will show it to the Facebook with camera. Wait a moment, I'm showing the, okay, this strong, yeah. It's adult, male adult. Well, this one. So, and that is the test report about the blue one. And sometimes you can show that the blue one also have the clear one. Sometimes you may want to see clearly. Okay, the first time I want to know what is in the comment. I don't want to use the labels. Okay, so we have the clear one. We have the clear plastic folding buckets. And then you can see the black buckets here. The clear one. But the clear one, is the same function, the same sizes about it, but you can see clearly what is in the drum content. Okay, the clear one. The clear one have also the various sizes. So just send your inquiry about the size requirement, quantity requirement, or delivery price, and then we can send more details about this one. Okay, so just do more tests about the volume increase, and it is so easy. Okay, continue one. We are fine for volume. That volume here, and you can just do this, and then they're false. Okay, they're totally false. You can see this listed, and when you do not use this, just put them one by one on the stock. Okay, and it can save at least 70% space. When you do not use the folding one, it can increase your cost of storage. But use this time, this item folded. Okay, it can be folded at least 70%. 70%. Okay, 70% about your space. That can save a lot of money, okay? Storage money. Okay, I will show you how to open. Okay, that's lift it up here like this. And then it will be good. totally good. And when you open it, you just choose. Okay, that's here. Open it. And there are four barcodes. I will see the details about the barcodes. Barcodes. And four barcodes here, and when there are three operation tabs, and you want to use this, here, just open it. Tap it like this. It's quite easy, and then there is instruction about the barcode, and this is the here, and okay, so you can see the barcodes. After you make sure all the barcodes is on the state of close, then you can just this one. Okay, we can just take the case. I will show you. And I will test on that. Okay, you can see that it total no problem. About 65 programs. Okay. About 65 programs. And there is totally no problem. So if you have any questions about this one, any interest about the plastic race and this one, so we can do the report. Okay. Just like this part. Okay, so much for the boarding one. Okay, so much for the boarding one. And I saw some customer visit. How about the unfolding one? Okay, unfolding one. I just have also, yes, we have the unfolding one. And the unfolding one, there is in the mass market, there is a problem about the transportation cost. When you use the unfolding one, maybe like this, they are the same size to protect the content in these products. And so maybe they cannot be taken easily. Have this one. Okay, like this. And some mass products just show this. They can be here, and they can be stacked, they can be next, like here. And that will take a lot of transportation cost, okay, transportation cost. So considering all that factor, we invented some new type about our quiz, unfolding quiz. We invented some new one about this one. So this we want this type, the magic, now the amazing part of this type one is when you use it, you can also just select here. Yeah, it cannot be negative, okay? I have to close on the left, And you can see that, yeah, it cannot, it cannot be fall down, and it can protect your goods. And when you know this, just turn around. Yeah, 180 degrees like this, and you put it here. Okay, and then it's just nestable. Okay, nestable. It can be nestable, and then it can nestable. Okay, the other part. Okay, and nestable. And when you use it, you can just use it. And that's totally amazing part of. When you use it, it can be just stackable one by one, maybe 2 meters high. But do not use it. You just turn around, like I just said, and then it can be nestable. Okay, it can be nestable. So that is the middle part. And it why has this design and it has you can see that it has the different design of this part, and when you use it, it can be use this buckle to fasten it. And yeah, this part, and you do not use it, you can just push it down like this one. And when you use it, just turn around, okay, turn around 180 degrees. And this one. And you can do this one. And our colleague also looked some video for the test part, so we can see more clearly about the product quality. Later on, I will show you the quality about this part.
Now show you it's looking very, very strong. On the top, on the bottom, jump. Very, very strong.
So much for the test about this part, and our colleague Cassie shows the solid type, and I will do some more tests about this one. Okay, I will get the one. So you can see there are two baskets, unfolded one, and for both they can nestable and stackable when you use it. This is our new design, and you can just to make sure this one. Okay, I will just to stand on it. Okay, I'm just stand. Oh, you can see it's totally it's stackable. It's totally no fasten or no other shape. No shape detection. This as it was. Okay, as it was the original one. The bearing capacity for the one is well, how about one? Just one. Okay, just one. We can see some ribs here and here. And still they have at least 12, or at least 12 one. Just the first one, it can be just one test, okay? They're not two. Not two, just one, and I just step on it, okay? Just step on it, and I just jump. It's totally no problem about this one. So let's take more look at this white part. Okay, the white part. So this is our new handle. The handle also made of HDPE. Barrier strength HDPE. The good toughness. Okay, you can take this very easily to for more efficiently work. Okay, efficiently work. And because of the 100 virgin material, so it has anti-aging performance. If you keep it well, it can only be properly. It can use 5 years. Okay, at least 5 years. Some customers got told me, I have used your bucket for 7 years. Oh, I thought you kept very well. Okay, it can be reused. It can be reused, and that is for the for the plastic crates, plastic parts about this one. And we have more types about this one. That is one you can see the holes on the four sizes. performance like this. The first like this. And we can show this and show first like this. Okay, there are 4 holes. If you do not want 4 holes, you have the detail requirement about this one. Okay, you have the detail requirement. Maybe I have the solid bottom size. Okay, I have the body type and body type. Okay, so we have the different one to meet your requirements. Okay, well, let's see this one type. It has a solid type. Okay, this is the solid type. Just has the holes on the sides for sideways. So that air to do this part to this part. And no holes at the part. There is no holes at the bottom. There is no holes at the bottom. Okay, you can see this part. That is the white one. That's the white one. And if you still have this in your fancy one, and you have no hole at all, okay, but we have this part, okay. I have no hole limit. Maybe you need to no air to flow into the basket. Then we have the totally solid one. In the final part, we have that solid type. This one is solid type, and that one is the solid type. Okay, we have this solid type. This solid type, this one, every sizes, there is a solid type. Solid type about this one. Okay, so if you have the requirement of the solid type, 5 sizes, another 5 size, totally solid type. Or you just have 4 sizes one, okay, no worries, you still have this one. Just the 2 small size and the bottom side has the holes, and there is no hole on this part. And this part, there is no holes. There are no holes about these 2 parts. This part and this part, there is no holes. Okay, just the 2 part holes. So you can see that we have various about the hole types and the hole location. Yes, for different part. You want this part to air through, we have hole type. You want this type to be solid, or we have this part. We have this part. So we just have so many parts about the price, the plastic price, various price. And also some comments says, how about the bearing capacity about this one? The carrying facility, there is really no worry about this bearing capacity about the time. I will just take a one random, and then I will show you the example in this part. And I need to do the things which one about the right, okay, the right one. Okay, I will do this. If this is the right one, I will just do one test, okay? One test. Did you can see that part? Yeah. And I will just color on it. You can see that. Just click on it. 65 kilogram. Totally no problem about 65 kilogram. As long as maybe you are green heavier, which can also bear that. Okay, 65 kilogram. Totally no problem about this one. And so much for the place. We have the baskets place. Okay, cases. Maybe you can call it cases. About the type, folding type, folding type, and folding type. And we can show this. I can show this part. Okay. This is also the different holes. It's a rectangular, okay, rectangular one. And we have done to do the detail jobs. Even the whole type, we have different types for your reference. Okay. So you can see that clearly. Okay, so just so much for today's plastic one. So much for today's class. If you have any other requirement, just send us inquiry, okay? Send us inquiries. And we have the coupons for you. And you can inquiry all the coupons. And please just follow us on the Facebook and YouTube. Then you can get the free samples. Okay, you can get free samples. So much for the today's live show. You can see that our logo. Okay, you can see that logo. And we can just have the free samples. So much for today's live show. We will show you in the next weekend. Bye bye. Bye. See you next weekend.